We'll guide you through how to compare Namecheap and Hostinger effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head to the official websites of both Namecheap and Hostinger to get a feel for their layout and offerings. Start by checking out their hosting plans. Namecheap is known for its straightforward pricing with no hidden fees, while Hostinger often offers promotional rates that can be appealing if you're on a budget. Next, look at the features each one provides. Namecheap includes free domain privacy, which is great for maintaining your privacy online. Hostinger, on the other hand, is well regarded for its speed due to its use of light-speed servers, which can make your website load faster. Now, consider customer support. Namecheap is famous for its 24/7 customer service with live chat, while Hostinger offers a multilingual support team that can be helpful if you're not a native English speaker. Then, check out user reviews and testimonials. Look for recent reviews from 2025 or 2026 to ensure you're getting up-to-date feedback. Reviews will give you insight into the real-world performance and reliability of each service. Finally, compare the additional perks. Namecheap often includes features like a website builder and free email accounts, whereas Hostinger provides a more comprehensive set of tools for WordPress hosting, which is perfect if you're planning to use WordPress for your site. By carefully examining these aspects, you can make an informed decision about which provider suits your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.